Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome to Hampi, a mesmerizing tapestry of history, culture, and architectural brilliance, nestled in the heart of Karnataka, India. Once the thriving capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, Hampi stands today as a silent sentinel to a bygone era, echoing tales of grandeur, devotion, and artistry. Journey back with us to the 16th century, when Portuguese traveller Domingo Pace penned his vivid chronicles of Vijayanagara, likening it to the majestic city of Rome. His descriptions paint a vivid picture of a city teeming with life, ruled by the charismatic warrior poet Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya, a formidable ruler from the Tuluva dynasty, was a man of many talents. Known for his military prowess and poetic genius, he expanded his empire to unprecedented heights. Under his reign, Hampi flourished as a hub of trade, culture, and spirituality. Among Hampi's architectural marvels is the Virupaksha Temple, a living testament to the spiritual devotion of its people. Devotees still flock here, just as they did centuries ago, drawn by the temple's mystical aura and the phenomenon of the inverted image, a mysterious play of light that continues to intrigue visitors. Is this a masterstroke of ancient architects or a serendipitous wonder of light? The question lingers, adding another layer to Hampi's enigmatic charm. As you wander through the Vithala Temple complex, be prepared to be captivated by its craftsmanship. Here, the stone chariot stands as a symbol of the empire's artistic grandeur. And listen closely, for the pillars of the Mahamandapa are said to sing, each note a whisper of the past. Once a bustling marketplace, Hampi was a melting pot of cultures. Traders from distant lands gathered here, exchanging not just goods but ideas, leaving an indelible mark on this vibrant city. Hampi's urban planning was as sophisticated as its architecture. From the Kamal Mahal to the serene Queen's Bath, the city's design reflected a confluence of styles and the grandeur of royal life. But Hampi's story is not just one of architectural splendor. It's a tale of resilience, a testament to the enduring spirit of a civilization that thrived amidst natural beauty and formidable challenges. From the Mahanavami Dibba, where Krishna Devaraya once surveyed his empire, the view now tells a poignant story of rise and fall. Yet, Hampi's legacy endures, its ruins whispering secrets of an era that continues to inspire. Today, Hampi is not just a destination, it's a journey through time. Each monument, each stone, invites you to delve deeper, to uncover the mysteries and marvels of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. So come explore the wonders of Hampi. Discover its stories, its secrets, and let the echoes of an ancient empire captivate your soul. Visit Hampi and experience history come to life. If you're ready to visit Hampi, click the link in the description to book your adventure, and don't forget to download our exclusive free travel packing list. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Hampi, India. Subscribe for more explorations of the world's most fascinating destinations.